Good day everyone, especially to you Ma'am Alma Patria. By the way, I am Crystal Shane Quijano Dangin, and for today's presentation, I am gonna tackle about our activity 4, which is factors that affecting solubility. So before we proceed, let us know what is the objective of this presentation. So the objective of this presentation is to learn and to understand the factors affecting solubility, to know the importance of solute and solvent, and to learn the procedure of solute, solvent, and the solution. So without further ado, let's begin. Solubility and factors affecting solubility. Nature of the solute and solvent. In general, polar and ionic solute tend to be more soluble in polar solvents. Non-polar solutes tend to be more soluble in non-polar solvents. Inorganic acid, bases and salts which are ionic tend to be much more soluble in water. Solvents such as carbon tetrachloride, hexane, and benzene, which are non-polar. These are not soluble in polar solvents. Gasoline is non-polar substance, slightly soluble in polar water but highly soluble in non-polar carbon tetrachloride. By observing the above cases, we can conclude that polar and ionic solute are soluble in polar solvents, and non-polar solutes are soluble in non-polar solvents. The generalized statement is like dissolved in like. Effect of temperature and solubility. Most of the solutes have a limited solubility in a given amount of solvent and a fixed temperature. The temperature of the solvent generally has a marked effect on the amount of solute that will dissolve. In case of solid dissolved in liquids, the dissolving process is endothermic, and increase in temperature result in an increase in solubility. For example, the solubility of soap and dirt in hot wash water is greater than in cold wash water. In case of gases dissolved in liquids, the dissolving process is exothermic and increase in temperature result in a decrease in solubility. For example, the water in a kettle is heated but not boiled. Dissolved air escapes as it becomes less soluble at high temperature. Therefore, an increase in temperature increases the solubility of solids in liquids. An increase in temperature decreases in solubility of gases in liquids. Solute, solvent, and solutions. Solutions. Do you know seawater contains salt? But we cannot see it. Salt has dissolved in it, so seawater is a solution. A solution is a mixture in which substances are completely dissolved. If we evaporate some seawater, we can get back the salt dissolved in it. Solute and solvent. Sugar dissolves in water but sand does not dissolve. We can say that sugar is soluble and sand is insoluble in water. The substance which is soluble in other substance is called the solute. Here, sugar is the solute. The substance in which solute is dissolved is called the solvent. Here, water is the solvent. Sugar, solute, plus water, solvent, gives sweet water solution. So my generalization about this presentation is I learned about factors affecting solubility of solute in a solvent. That solubility, as we have learned, is the maximum amount of a substance that will dissolve in a given amount of solvent at a specific temperature. And there are two direct factors that affect solubility, which is the temperature and pressure.